Hi and welcome back. In this video we're going to do a quick code refactor from last video, and so this will be a quick one, but if you remember in the last video we added two print lines here so that we would print back the status of two of these websites instead of just one and then the program terminating. So if we wanted all the websites we would have 5 print lines here. So let me just put 5 print lines here really quick and show you guys. And then if I go here and run this, we would see that we get a status for every website in our links string slice here. And the reason was because this is a blocking call and it would wait for a response, and once there are no more responses then the main program terminates and the whole program exits. So that's why we had 2, we only got 2 statuses back. But if you wanted all of them you would put 5. And like I mentioned in the end of the last video, that this is just bad in the sense that we have to know, physically count that there's 5 in here, and we have to put 5 print line statements, and this is very wet code here, and versus dry code. So dry meaning don't repeat yourself, so you don't want to keep having print lines here. So we're going to refactor this a little bit so that it looks cleaner. So to do that, we're just going to use a for loop. And instead of writing a for loop like this that we've seen in our videos lately, we're going to use a somewhat traditional for loop that you would see mainly in other programming languages like C, C++, and Java. So we do for, and then we have our iterating variable. We'll just call I, we'll set that equal to 0, and then we're going to loop up to the length of the links string slice, and then we increment I here, and in here we will add this, we'll have this print. So we just have 1 there, and then we get rid of these. So essentially what happens is that it will run the print line for every entry in our link slice, so we don't have to actually physically count that there's 5 in here, or if we had 100, etc. And we will save this and then run it. And as you can see, it works correctly as the previous run where we had the 5 print lines. Same results actually. Cool. So that's cool. So this is a little refactor of that, but in the next video we'll add a couple more requirements for our program and continue. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.